We're in Detroit, Michigan for a pretrial conference. 51-year-old Carnell McCreary has been charged with assault and battery. 21 years earlier, McCreary was arrested, pled not guilty, and released on bond. But the case has lingered in the court system for years. Today, McCreary appears before Judge Elenice Bryant to discuss next steps.
Today is the date set for pretrial conference. Mr. McCreary, I understand that you are representing yourself, so how do you wish to proceed, sir?
First and foremost, if I may address the court and ask the court a few questions, with all due respect.
I don't answer questions. That's not my role.
Well, I just wanted to say, you know, when I first came onto the Zoom, I felt that this court was disrespectful and restrained my First Amendment right to allocate myself here in this courtroom. And I'm not saying this as a personal attack, but that's just how I felt.
Okay, Mr. McCreary, all due respect, I'm not interested in your feelings, sir. I'm here to conduct court. So let's conduct court. How do you wish to proceed as it relates to your court matter?
While Judge Bryant attempts to proceed with the hearing, McCreary seems to have other things on his mind.
Well, if I may speak without being restrained again by the court.
You're going to be restrained every time you go off course. So you're going to be restrained in the same way that I would restrain any other person, any other lawyer, any other person who's not coming to court and addressing the court in the way that you're supposed to address the court for the pre-trial conference. So I'm asking you, Mr. McCreary, as it relates to the pre-trial conference, how do you wish to proceed?
I would like to ask that this court remove itself under MCR 2.003 for judicial bias. And once this
motion is denied, anything further?
Well, I would like to have it sent to the chief judge as required by the rule.
Mr. Flanagan, please call the chief judge and let him know that there's a request for recusal by Mr. McCreary.
Yes, Your Honor. Violating code of judicial conduct, judge. And I haven't been
doing this for 16 years. I know what I'm supposed to do.
After setting up the defendant's request for her removal from the case, Judge Bryant looks to wrap up the hearing.
Anything further with respect to this matter?
Oh, can I speak or no?
Oh, well, what else is there, Mr. McCreary?
I would like to just say this, Judge. I have nothing personal with you. It's just that
Mr. McCreary, I don't take things personally. Ms. McCreary, let me say something to you. So since we're talking, let's talk. I'm not going to keep going on because you've asked me to recuse myself. I have denied the recusal. You have requested an appeal. I have granted that appeal, and that concludes the matter. You don't have to tell me it's not personal. I don't take things personal. Why would I take things personal?
I take it personal because as a black man, a 50-year-old man.
This has nothing to do with you being a 50-year-old black man. This has anything to do with you being a defendant in this courtroom. Is there any legal thing for the record?
The prosecutor's office has committed a felony against me.
Okay, well, you can address that with the appropriate parties, but I'm not. All right, so I'm going to assume that this matter, as it relates to the pretrial conference for Mr. McCreary, is concluded. All right, then, sir, you're all set. You have a great day, and you stay safe.
While McCreary takes up his request with the chief judge, his case remains pending. If found guilty of assault and battery, McCreary could receive a maximum sentence of 93 days in jail. Thanks for being a fan of CourtCam. Subscribe to A&E to never miss a new video and catch full episodes on aetv.com.